down. Sit down.
No, please.
I mean, you got tasers for a reason, you're just not gonna use them. You're gonna keep fighting the elephant just because that's what you want to do and be out of breath.
No, please, bro.
No.
Let me go.
Yeah,
I already have court, bro. I already have enough court. Please.
I already have enough court.
No.
Sit down.
Bro, I know y'all get paid for this shit. That's why y'all laughing.
Sit down.
We're not laughing.
Y'all get paid for this shit, right? Every time y'all arrest.
No. Sit down. Get in the car.
You're hurting me, bro.
Get in the
This
car.
is crazy.
You're hurting me.
No,
Let
no,
go.
no.
Let go.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
You're hurting me, bro.
Get in the car.
Damn.
Put your legs in the car.
Wait, stop.
If y'all don't shoot her with a tranquilizer right in the assery, like what are we doing? Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? It's your boy Fusion. We are back with another banger, baby. Reaction video. You feel me? How my people doing today? How are you doing this weekend? How are you doing today? How are you doing yesterday? How are you doing moving forward? How are you gonna do? Okay, it's up to you. You control how you feel. Don't let nobody else in this world control your emotions or live rent-free in your head. It's dumb, it's stupid, it gets us nowhere. Then they got all the control and they just sitting over there laughing at you like, come in that head. Yeah, I got him. We ain't moving. We move to the beat our own drum. Okay, we make our own rules. We live by them. And we stay out the way. We stay safe, stay out the way. Okay? Make sure we do that. We're about to get tapped to a video I got sent though. Let's see. Oh boy, enormous bullies. Enormous bully threatens police, ends horribly. That's what we about to get into. So before we get into the enormous giganticry and whatever, how my people's meeps doing? Tap down the comment section. Let me know how you doing. Let your family know how you doing. Let your community know how you doing. Mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Tap down the comment section. Let us know. I ain't gonna hold you guys up. Got a giveaway going down on the 21st. Let's get the views to 20K views, 1K likes. You know how we get down. It shouldn't be having 20,000 views and like 300 likes. It should never go down. It's the only thing I ask for. Hit that like button so we get in this algorithm, okay? That's what we got to do. For the giveaway to get bigger, we got to do our part, which is like the video, watch the video, share the video. I'm just giving you guys a little free game. That's the only way they're going to get bigger. And the winner that haven't won, that's the only way you're going to win. Along with being subscribed to all three channels, Foosh Nigga, World of Foosh, and Foosh Nigga Transformation. Let's tap in and see what the enormously is enormousing.
On March 3rd, 2025, officers received a call regarding a potential robbery.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Do you need something?
Yeah, so my phone was taken.
Are you the caller for this?
Yeah.
What happened?
My phone was taken by one of y'all police officers. And I wanted that.
Did you just call 911 about that?
Yeah.
Central 9102.
What? Hold on. Why is she walking like that? Why the officer pulled up? Hold on. First of all, let's dissect this. We just started. She called the police and claimed robbery because a police officer took her phone. So she knew the police was coming. But do you see how she was walking, like just chuckling along, like she didn't see the officer walking? Run that back. Hold on. Hold on.
Do you need something?
Look at her.
Yeah, so my phone was taken.
Are you the caller for this?
Yeah.
She knows she's wrong, that's
My
why.
phone was taken by one of y'all police officers. And I wanted that.
Did you just call 911 about that?
Yeah.
Central 9102.
Go ahead.
This is not a robbery. The complainant is 9472's person they were dealing with earlier. So
I'm sorry, I don't want to this is a bad day for me already. I don't want to cause no drama. I just want my phone back. See, they said they had a search warrant or stuff for my phone, but
Alright, 10-4-14, disregard.
they didn't show me the search warrant. They just took my phone.
You can't claim robbery though.
Call 911 and say you were robbed, and then give out a random description.
I know.
Saying that two people left on foot and they're police officers.
I didn't give them random. I was like, they had jeans on, they had a shirt.
You big goofball, that is random. Nobody robbed you. She said, I didn't give a random. What are you talking? I mean, clearly she has never been to school. She doesn't know what random means. Random, lady. You knew you weren't robbed. You know the person took your phone, had a whole police outfit on. Yet alone, you say two people wore some. I didn't say random. I said they had. Yeah, she's. I don't even know how to explain it.
Okay, but you understand that, like, when the police take your phone, it's not a robbery.
I know it's not a robbery,
Public
stuff,
service
but
or special.
Yeah, for right now. But you understand, like, you just can't call 911 and say that people took your phone and they're actually the police.
I know, but I want my phone back. Like, I have a job, I have kids, you know.
You got kids, baby? You think like that?
And I'm sorry for wasting our time. I just want my phone.
Yes, but again, like, you realize you can't call 911 and say that you were robbed,
I know, but
and it's the police that took your phone.
She think
but
it's
y'all
funny.
don't have a search warrant. That's what I'm saying. Y'all just took my phone, but
They
with no
seized
search
it for an
warrant.
investigation.
So, like, y'all finna lie to me. So, if I lie to me, I get arrested and stuff. But y'all wanna lie to me? Oh yeah, you can have my phone, but y'all take it. How does that work?
So nobody's lying to you. They told you they were taking your phone.
Lie to me. He gonna laugh in my face. Like what? He gonna laugh in my face. Like this
Okay.
shit funny. It's not funny.
Well, I wasn't there. I don't know what the officer did, but you just lied to us by calling saying you were
I don't
robbed,
care. I
and then
don't
gave
care.
a description
I
of
did not.
a male Hispanic and a male white.
He was Hispanic. He was white too.
Yeah, but they're police officers.
I
They're
don't
not just a
care.
random guy walking
I
on
don't
the street.
care.
What's
So
wrong with
a
the police
officer
officers?
could get arrested for anything, right? They could have get arrested for anything. So
They didn't commit a robbery
I know, but they still took my phone without my permission.
with legal authority to do so.
No, there was a warrant there.
They seized your phone for an investigation.
No, what investigation? I didn't steal no car. They want to accuse me of stealing no
Okay, well,
car.
I
but they didn't
don't
want to show me
listen.
the video.
I don't know who you are, and I don't know what you did or allegedly did. Okay, I don't know why they're investigating you or why they needed your phone. All I know is that they were out
But
at your
I
house.
need
They
my
took your
phone.
phone.
I have a job though. I'm gonna get fired. I have kids. I know you have a job. You're doing your job,
Go
guys.
to SP and speak with their supervisor then. We don't know why they still took your phone.
Bro, I don't have a car. Can you take me there?
Eric?
No, they're at work. I don't want to bother
Okay,
them.
we can wait till they get home.
Like it's not illegal for them to take your phone as part of an
No, I
investigation.
want my phone though. I have school tomorrow. I have kids. I have a job.
Man, hold on, baby.
Okay, well, you're not
Chill.
gonna get your phone between.
You saying you need your phone for a job? Stop it. How old are you? Because you shouldn't have had kids. And I don't know. Are you lying about that? Because you just said you need your phone to go to work. Now you said you need your phone to go to school. You live with your parents. What are we doing here? I'm telling you guys. Less yapping. I'm gonna zap you for this one. You call the police to say police officers robbed you, and they were wearing jeans. Then you say because they lied on you that you stole a car. You know you stole that car, Tanisha. Enormously. I don't even know, baby, but you ain't got all your meeps ain't there. They just not. This type of stuff will make me so mad as a police officer. If I showed up and you said we robbed you over a phone, you talking like you was in school and your teacher took your phone for being on your phone in a classroom. That's how you come on. I know they took my phone. I need my phone. Get your big ass.
Now tomorrow, I can at least tell you that.
Why? For what?
Because this
though?
stuff
I'm
takes a
gonna
few
have
days.
to wait all the way till court to get a search warrant on my phone.
I don't know how quickly this stuff gets done, but I can tell you it's not within like a night. I don't do that, okay? I'm on the street. I'm not a detective, but I can tell you that this doesn't take like one night to get this done.
No, let me speak to them.
I will pass on your concerns,
Bro,
okay?
bro,
I will let them
bro.
know.
No, where you going?
You not letting her
leaving.
leave?
No, you're not.
I'm going to my car and I'm leaving.
No, you're not.
I am.
No, bro.
I am leaving.
No, because I want my phone.
You're not going to get your phone.
About your
I don't give a y'all don't care.
Then go to the
about.
police
No,
department and complain
no.
about it.
Okay,
You're not gonna
bro,
block our
shut
way.
the f- up. No. Because I'm going to do it how I want to do it. You got a problem with it? I don't give a f-
Oh, okay, bet.
Okay, we're going to leave.
We didn't even take your phone.
I didn't take your phone.
give-
You back whenever they're done with it.
No, they're not.
Were we out here when your phone got taken?
I don't care. What y'all told though?
Yeah,
Okay.
but again, different department. I don't work in
Y'all working
investigations.
straight with this.
That's too much yapping. You explaining yourself
I
to
don't
this
communicate with
girl.
detectives, and they don't
No,
communicate
y'all-
with us.
18. I've never seen this before.
I never seen this too. Cause my phone is gone, so y'all finna have a bad day. Cause I'm having a bad day.
Well, we are not going to have a bad day.
Yes, y'all are. Cause if I'm having a bad day. Y'all gonna have a bad day.
You're gonna stop me from.
It's gonna be all
You're gonna stop me from getting in my
It's gonna
vehicle.
be all chaos.
All right.
Yes,
Perfect.
it's gonna be all chaos. I swear. Myself.
It's not what we live for. I'm
Yes,
trying to leave.
y'all are.
I'm
No.
trying to leave, and you're not allowing me to get in my car and leave.
No, not with my phone. No,
I don't have your phone.
I know what I'm saying.
So I'm trying to
Just
get into my
call them
vehicle.
over there.
We've called them. They're not coming. They're not coming. And to be 100% honest with you, if you don't let me get in the car and you let my partner get in the car and leave, you're going to get arrested.
Bro, ain't nobody stopping y'all getting in the car.
You keep
I'm just
walking
walking
over.
I'm just walking.
Conveniently, you're walking in our path.
So if I go to get in my car,
Path. There's an open space. I'm not walking in y'all path.
I'm leaving. This isn't funny.
Come on, Brody.
The game's over.
I'm not
Come on,
playing
Brody.
no games. My days
If y'all don't knock her knees down,
My day ain't gonna go on just fine.
And your day was not ruined.
Yes, because y'all took my phone. What the
All I know is they took your phone for investigation, and that's why they have your phone. That's all I know.
No.
And I can tell you that
But
you're
how
not
they
getting it
finna
back
lie
today.
to me and take my phone?
Well, I can tell you you're not getting it back today.
Yes, I am, bro.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No,
No, yes, I am.
you're not.
Bro, all hell is gonna break through. I swear to God,
It's
bro.
not.
Yes,
This
it
is-
bro. I don't care if y'all talk, if y'all got your gun or y'all taser, bro. What's that gonna do? I don't
This
give
is a simple solution. We
no,
can just
bro.
let us
no,
leave.
no, y'all not finna leave.
Just let us leave.
No.
Let us leave.
Y'all stuck. You so y'all stuck.
I think we're past that point.
I'm so mad. I don't even know what to do. Like, you see why people test the police officers? You see what I test y'all, right? Y'all let go on for way longer than it needs to be. Show your authority. Get the situation taken care of. Like, she's... Bro, like, what are we doing, bro? Y'all letting her think she's in control, like she's in high school. Like she's trying to get her phone back from her teacher. You're not leaving the classroom until I get my phone back. I'm going to call my mommy. Like, you guys are playing the game right along with it. Bro, come on. I'm just being real. Y'all tell me in the comment section, if you were police officers, would you let this go on as long as it's gone on? It's gone on a minute past longer than what it should have, okay? That's all I'm saying. Like, they're going to keep on testing y'all when they see videos like this. This is supposed to be educational. Right now, we're seeing somebody run the scene that's not a police officer.
Not going to get your phone because we went over this. They have your phone for an investigation.
They don't have a search warrant. Y'all can't come
Again,
to,
I don't know what the
y'all can't come
situation
inside
is.
each other's houses and be like, oh, I have a search warrant.
Well, I don't know what the situation is, okay? Right now, you're under arrest.
I'm not.
So, there you are.
Arrest her. Yo, big ass, where you going? Look like a fire hydrant trying to get somewhere.
You're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back.
No, back
Put your hands
up.
behind your back. You're under
If
arrest.
y'all don't drop him, kick her to the ground, cut it out.
Chill.
6136, where do you
Wow.
want?
Go take it down.
This is so stupid.
Hold it down.
Like they try to take down the damn elephant. Get her on the ground.
Give us your wrist.
No. Don't touch me, dude.
Put your hand behind your back or we'll take you.
No.
Put your back right now. Put your hand behind your back and you get taken.
Man.
Hey. Okay, sit up.
Dude, damn. All this f***ing mud on me. Damn.
Do you want to sit up?
Yeah.
Okay, sit up.
I'm finna get myself up.
Oh, you forgot to get it on my leg.
Okay, drop your head. Kindly help you.
Yeah.
Okay. Help me.
You got it up?
Now you want the help?
1, 2, 3.
What are you doing? Knock it off.
Oh, let me go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
not free to go.
No, I'm sorry. I thought that was problem.
Go. Sit down. Sit down. Sit
Dude,
down.
wait.
What?
Damn.
What? Sit down.
Let me go. Let me go,
You're
please.
under arrest. Sit
No,
down.
no.
Sit down.
No. Okay, hold on. What am I being arrested for?
Obstructing. Get in the car.
Obstructing what?
Get in the car.
I didn't hit your car. I didn't hit your car.
You gotta fuck that stuff. Get in the car.
No, wait.
Sit down.
Wait, no. Please. No, please.
Sit down. Sit down.
No, please.
I mean, you got tasers for a reason, you're just not gonna use them. You're gonna keep fighting the elephant just because that's what you want to do and be out of breath.
No, please, bro.
No.
Let me go. I already have court, bro. I already have enough court. Please.
I already have enough court.
No.
Sit down.
Bro, I know y'all get paid for this shit. That's why y'all laughing.
Sit down.
We're not laughing.
Y'all get paid for this shit, right? Every time y'all arrest.
No. Sit down.
Get in the car.
You're hurting me, bro.
Get in the
This
car.
is crazy.
You're hurting me. Let go.
Man.
Let go.
Get in the car.
Get in the
You're
car.
hurting me, bro.
Get in the car.
Damn.
Put your legs in the car.
Wait, stop.
If y'all don't shoot her with a tranquilizer right in the assery, like what are we doing?
Act appropriate.
It's right there for you, baby. Big old bullseye.
Roll over.
Okay, let me go.
Act appropriate.
Roll over.
Don't break my arm, feel.
Roll your body over.
There you go.
Sit down.
Ew.
Oh my God.
Look at that. There you go.
Thank you.
The woman
Why?
was charged with misuse of 911, threatening an officer, resisting arrest, and damage to property. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more of our content.
Don't thank me for watching that dumb. That was dumb. It should not have happened. It should not have went on that long. I'm mad at that video, baby. I'm so mad at that video, bro. Like, it shouldn't even, like, listen, we're going to get t-shirts that say taser, taser, taser as soon as they say no, 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 okay? We're going to get that and we're going to pass it out to every police officer so they know. You don't have to use deadly force. You got the taser for a reason. It's to put a big elephant down, okay? Why you going to fight and be out of breath? You don't go home and sore, wake up like you went to the gym. You ain't going to be able to work the next day. I can't go fight today. I got to call out. Come on, man. I think we all know what should have been happened. What should have happened, what should have been used. And you guys just refused. Didn't even have to rhyme, but that's what I choose. Oh, I'm so irritated, bro. That was the dumbest interaction that should have happened. As soon as you guys found out and rolled up and found out that lady called the police and said the police robbed her phone when the police officer took it for an active investigation, she should have been put in cuffs then. Misuse of 911. What are we doing, bro? I would not believe it if I didn't see this on dash cam. I just wouldn't believe it. I would not believe it. That it goes down. I would think everybody got beat up by a police officer and whatever they put on the news. I would believe it. I would not believe that people get away with for so long before the police put hands on them. I just would not.